The Indian car manufacturer Mahindra has confirmed to bring the next generation Scorpio next year. Mahindra has recently launched the new brand logo and the SUV XUV700 in the premium segment. Mahindra intends to change the overall brand image by reintroducing the existing cars with a new perception. They have a plan to launch the next generation Scorpio on February 2022 at the expected price between Rs 10 to 14 lakhs ex-showroom. The new generation of Scorpio will be based on Mahindra's ladder-on-frame architecture, which will already be used in Mahindra Thar. The new generation Scorpio will be the fourth generation of updated Scorpio, which will be bigger, better and more powerful than the current model and will come with a new brand logo. Talking about the power, the new Scorpio is expected to get V6 compliant 2.2-liter AMHOC diesel engine, which can be able to churn out 170 bhp of power and 400 Nm of peak torque. The engines will be mated to an optional 6-speed manual or 6-speed AMT torque converter transmission. A new 2-liter turbocharged petrol engine is expected to be on offer. The new Scorpio is expected to get improved 4-wheel drive powertrain and off-road capabilities. In terms of exterior design, the new generation Scorpio is expected to get a new updated design aspects in compared to the outgoing model. Up front, the SUV will receive projected double-barrel headlight setup with integrated DRLs, Mahindra's signature chrome-inserted grille, black rear lights, and updated front bumper with bumper-mounted LED fog light setup. In the side profile, the SUV will get power wall beams with indicated turn indicators, chrome strip on the windows, roof rail, body color door handles, large wheelers with black cladding, and diamond-cut alloy wheels. The rear profile will get LED tail lights, rear washer and defogger, rear wiper, tailgate indicated spoiler with spoiler-mounted emergency braking light, rear fog lamps, and updated rear bumper. The interior also is expected to be updated with a number of design aspects including spacious cabin, premium quality soft touch materials, new leather wrapped power fat bottom steering wheel with steering mounted controls, 8-inch big touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth and navigation system, premium sound system, push button start and stop, keyless entry, auto climate control, ambient lighting, electronically adjustable panoramic sunroof, leather upholstery and well cushioning seats for better and comfortable ride with third row front facing seats. The new generation Scorpio is expected to be updated with a number of standard safety features which includes ABS with EBD, electric stability control, cruise control, hill assist, blind spot detection system, traction control, multiple airbags, tire pressure monitoring system, ISOPIX child seat anchorage, rear parking camera and rear parking sensors. Thank you.